Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CS Grid. In this lecture, we would be starting a completely new subject, that is DBMS or Database Management System. Okay, so in today's video, the main objective or main aim, we would be discussing what do we mean by Database Management System. Okay. So firstly, talking about database. What do we mean by database, right? So database means collection of related data. So now here what data comes. So what do we mean by data? Firstly, let's have a look. What do we mean by data? So any raw fact or figure can be termed as data. Any raw fact or figure can be termed as data. Example, if you are a student, then your roll number is suppose 1, then it is data, it is a number, it is a data. Your name, any name would be considered as data. My channel name CS Grid, it is data. Any audio, any video, anything. So any raw fact or figure can be termed as data, right? So it could be including the text, the number, the audio file, the video file. So any fact would be considered as data. So now what do we mean by database? I've already told you that it is collection of data. And what type of data? The data would be related data representing real world entities. So now new term has come, real world entities. What do we mean by real world entities, right? So now you're a student, you would be studying in some institute, like you would be enrolled in some school or in some college, right? So your college or institute, your school would be having certain database that would be having collection of all the people associated with it. You agree, right? So your institute is having database, because what do we have seen here? That database is collection. So all the data about all the details of that particular institute would be stored in some database. And that database would be consisting of what data? Would be consisting the data of, suppose if you're talking about the students, the faculties, the management staff, the higher management staff like the dean, the director, and so on, right? So it will be having information about all these objects. For example, student, we could consider student as one of the object, the faculties as one of the objects, right? So what are all these? These are real world objects, right? These are real world entities. So database would be having information or data about these real world entities. Okay, and that collection would be related. Why we are saying that the data would be related among each other? Because if you are talking about the student details, suppose there is a student, his or her roll number is 1, name is Aman, he would be having certain mobile number. So these individually are data. Here 1 is also a data, Aman is also a data, mobile number is again a data, email ID is again a data. These all are data. But if I'm storing the data as a collection, means what? These data are related among each other. Why they are related among each other? Because all the entire data, roll number 1, Aman, this mobile number, this email ID are corresponding to a single object. What object? The student named Aman. The entire details or the data is of this particular student, right? So what do we mean by database? Means collection of related data. Means all these data are related among each other, and that would be representing what? Real world entities. Real world entities means what? Any real world object any object or any entity existing in real environment, right? Like students are real world entities, teachers, if we talk about bank, so the customers of bank which would be doing certain transactions like withdrawal, deposit. So all the real world objects would be considered as entity, right? Now secondly, if we talk about management system name itself suggests anything that would be managing. And if we are talking about here the role of management system here, then we can say that the management system would be managing what? Your database, right? The management system would be managing the database. What database? The database which is a collection of related data representing some real world object. Okay, so what is a management system? Management system is some software we all are familiar with. Means we would be having certain programs, and this software would be used for efficiently storing, accessing and retrieving data from the database. Means here new word has come, efficiently. Why we are saying efficiently, we would be discussing in detail why database management system is more efficient as compared to the traditional file based system. We would be discussing in the upcoming videos, but here we have to understand this point that management system would be used for efficient storage and retrieval of data from this database, right? That database would be a collection of data. Obviously we would be wanting to add new details, because if new students are getting enrolled in your database, then we would be wanting to enter the information for new students. If some students leave your school, then his or her particular details has to be removed from the database. So we want to be doing certain modifications of data in the database, right? So management system would be helpful in efficiently performing all those operations on the database, right? So what do we mean by database management system as a whole? Any software that is used for efficient access of your data from the database, right? The software that could be used for efficiently access or retrieval of data from your database is known as database management system. I hope so this definition has been made clear to you. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.